Hi there, hope you're doing well. I am back with a Halloween mini this week. This is Marwina the Witch from Artisan Guild. Going for a darker skin tone with this one as I haven't done enough in my time and I want to practice before the Battle Sisters come out from one-page rules. I've primed the mini black and given her a white zenithal highlight. To get started on the skin, I base coat all of the skin with cuirass leather. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I'll go over the majority of the skin again with Ancient Forest, just leaving that darker brown in the recessed parts of her skin. The final highlight of the skin is with boar hide. This is very red and I was not expecting it to come out quite this red, but it does turn out okay in the end. Finishing off the skin, I washed the entire thing with 2 thin coats flesh wash. I want her clothing to be white in the end, so I get started by base coating all of it with warm grey. I noticed there are a few straps on this staff, so before moving on with the white, I quickly give the staff a once over with Dragon's Gold. I'm really liking the metallics from two thin coats. They cover really well and have a good amount of shine. With the gold dry, I get started on highlighting the white, starting with silver grey, just leaving that warm grey in the recesses. To finish off the white and make it actually look like white, I used off-white to highlight up the uppermost areas and the sharp edges. Next up, I grabbed glistening gold and added a small highlight to the staff. For the base and the fur around her neck, I went for Dust Bowl. To add some definition to the slabs of the base, I give them a once over with sandstone. Highlighting up the base, I use temple stone to go around the edges of the slabs just to help them pop out that bit more. There are some skulls on the base and these are done with dragon fang. I also use this colour to highlight up the edges of the fur around her neck. To highlight up these skulls and the sharpest of edges on the fur, I went for Skeleton Legion. I wanted her hair and the magic orbs to stand out against most of it, so I base coat all of them with marine blue. The first highlight of the blue is Elysium Blue. Finishing up the blue, I used Celestial Blue just for the uppermost areas. lastly, I wash the base and the gold with Archaic Sepia Wash. And that will be it for Marwina the Witch. It's a good practice for darker skin as well as some white clothing, as it's still effort to get white clothing done right, and I'm not quite there yet. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.